Good morning, children. Today I am starting our new lesson, fourth lesson in VED, The King's Gift. Here, this is one small story, but it is very interesting. Okay, so I want to share this very deeply. First, see, open page number 13. Long ago, there was a kingdom called Shirva, means the kingdom name was Shirva. Its people were very lazy. Their people are very lazy and they wanted the king to do everything for them. Everything will do king only. They think like that. They are very lazy, no? So they think like that. The king was unhappy with his people's laziness. The king was very unhappy with people laziness. The marketplace in Shirva was a busy place. In that Shirva, one marketplace is there that is very busy with any time. So people would come to buy and sell goods. There people would come and buy or selling or anything, they will do it there. It was also a meeting place for many. There so many meetings will going on. Meeting place and that is buying and selling goods also. One day the people found a large rock lying in the center of the marketplace. A merchant on a coach tried to pass by it. And an outsider who was with the merchant said, "Please stop. Ask your coachman to get down and move that rock." "Why should I?" replied the merchant. So merchant was asked, "Why should I do?" He is asked to outsider. Okay. "It is the duty of king and his ministers." He said, "It is the duty of king and ministers said." After some time, a policeman rushed by and hurt his foot against the rock. Means the policeman near to that rock, after he wanted to throw the rock with foot. He blamed the king and went on his way. Then came a young man riding on a horse. One young man riding the horse, he looked at the rock and said, "I will ride around it," and galloped away. Mean he wanted to ride around the rock. So he galloped away from that rock. He said to other persons. After a while came a farmer carrying a heavy basket of vegetables on his head. After some time, one farmer came to that way. Okay, he is holding so many vegetables on his head and he stopped and looked at the rock. Who had placed the rock there? He asked them. Who had placed the rock here? He asked. People would find it difficult to move, thought the farmer. People all are very difficult to move this rock, so I wanted to move this rock, he thought. So he decided to shift the rock using all his strength. He managed to move the rock and roll it to one corner of the marketplace. He turned back and looked at the spot where the rock had been placed. He moved the rock one corner to that marketplace and he turned back and looked at that spot of the rock where it's placed. So the farmer found a bag lying there. There one bag will be there. When the rock corner keep then he is turned back and look at the spot of the rock where they're placed. There one bag will be there. He opened the bag and found many silver coins inside it. In that bag, so many silver coins inside. It also had a slip of paper. In that slip of paper also there, on it was written, "A gift from the king to the good citizen who removed this rock." In that paper, what written? "A gift from the king to the good citizen who removed this rock." So children, observe children, there so many people came, nobody is moving that rock. But one small farmer, he is remove it and he is get the silver coins with gift from king. So don't sit like a lazy man. Okay. See, there so many members came, but some are moving around that rock. Some are your responsibility said, some are not have strength like that they feel. But one farmer without laziness, he is remove that rock, right? When you not have real laziness, we will get some more better than all, right? So children, don't be lazy, okay? Don't be lazy in this lockdown time. So many members are not wake up early, not learning anything, right? I observe, please follow everything within time, okay? Don't be lazy. Understand children? I hope you all are understand this is about laziness. So be careful children. Without laziness you have to maintain your life. Okay. This is our lesson today. I hope you all are understand. Very interesting lesson. No. Tomorrow I will give the grammar part of the page number 15. Okay children. Read thoroughly this lesson page number 13 and 14. Okay. I hope you all are understand children. Thank you children. Bye bye.